15 best online side hustle ideas to make money from the comfort of your own home. It seems that there's no shortage of good online business ideas. The truth is, the internet has made it easy to create a business. With just a website, you can reach anyone in any location in the world at any time. Target the right people with the right offering, and you would be making your own money in no time. Other benefits of running online business include cost savings, increased flexibility, and less paper waste. So if you are quietly contemplating the idea of starting something of your own, here is a list of the best small online business ideas that are within the reach of almost anyone who is willing to take the plunge. From social media manager to public speaking coach to interior design consultant, the options are endless. Great people, if you like a video like this, please kindly subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever we upload another awesome content on entrepreneurship, personal finance, customer experience and customer service. God bless you. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Virtual assistant. This is one of the best online side hustle ideas to pursue from home. As a virtual assistant, you will be answering emails, writing content, and doing other tasks on behalf of businesses. The role can mean anything from a data entry person to a researcher, so be open to try new things and uncover new skills while getting paid. As a virtual assistant, you can also work on freelance websites like Craigslist, People Per Hour, Upwork, Fiverr, and take on job opportunities on those websites. Number 2. Remote sales team. As more and more companies take on the lean main approach to business, outsourcing cold calling and telesales function become a source of standard in the startup and small business environment. Whether you want to sell highly targeted sales pitches or customer data, such as phone numbers and email addresses, the potential is very great. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where a person promotes a product that another merchant sells. Using advertising, social media, blogging, and more, an affiliate marketer can attract customers to their landing page. When customers click a link to buy the product, they will then be brought to the merchant store to buy the product. As an internet business idea, this is great for anyone no matter their previous experiences. Number 4. Lead generation service provider. Most companies are chasing customers and looking for ways to increase conversion rates. This means investing in activities like lead generation that could be time consuming. Because of this, many companies outsource the task to a lead generation service provider. If you are good on the phone and enjoy researching and doing outreach to strangers, then this is your calling. Number 5. Become an influencer. An influencer is someone with a large follower base on social media who is seen as an expert in a particular area, like makeup or fitness. These people keep busy by posting regularly about their lives and promote products which they feel are good to possess. What is great about this internet business idea is that you can get paid to promote a business to your following. Similar to affiliate marketing, influencer marketing is a huge online business trend right now that you can capitalize on. Try your hand at vlogging and starting a podcast, which are underutilized channels of communication for influencers right now. Number 6. Handmade goods shop. It can take you less than a day to build a storefront to showcase your work and connect with customers on platforms like Amazon and Etsy. If you are into craft and DIY, it is definitely a feasible business option to consider. You can make the goods for yourself or source them from suppliers in Hong Kong and China. If you are in a country that has e-packet shipping, such a product is likely to be a better and more cost-effective option. Number 7. Become a private chef. If cooking is one of your personal passions, there are dozens of opportunities to turn it into a decent business venture. And if you are not camera shy, you can teach people how to cook special meals by selling online courses and teaching people on YouTube. Number 8. Nutritionist. The trend of healthy eating is here to stay, yet with so much contradicting advice online about what is good for us and what is not. More and more people turn to professional nutritionists for specialist tips and guidance. You can easily find free online courses to learn the fundamentals of this profession and start offering personalized nutritional plans online. Number 9. Get baking. From freshly baked butter croissants to colorful macaroons and pillow soft morning badges, the world of the Great Bake Off is a rich and ever-growing place. The beautiful thing about the online world is that a great passion can be turned into a great business venture almost overnight. You can start an online bakery or move your existing bake shop online. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to sell baked goods online. Number 10. Natural and organic beauty shop. Online shoppers are getting more and more conscious about their choices, and especially when it comes to beauty products. Running a beauty shop that is built on strong ethos and values that resonate with nature and animal lovers is one of the hottest online business ideas right now. Number 11. Women's sportswear. Online sportswear shop for women are quickly climbing to the top of the most popular idea among e-commerce entrepreneurs. Since yoga pants are clearly here to stay, it is safe to say that the athleisure trend is one of the best and perhaps the least explored niches in e-commerce right now. Number 12. 3D printed products. One of the biggest technological breakthroughs of this age. 3D printing is dictating a new strategy in the e-commerce world. Some of the best-selling 3D printed products include jewelries, home accessories, bicycle parts, tech accessories, and many more. Number 13. Ethical fashion brand. One thing is clear, clothes and accessories will always be one of the super profitable online business ideas for e-commerce sites. However, with so many boutiques and fashion online stores in existence, rising above the noise is extremely difficult. Yet, one promising data that savvy entrepreneurs have probably already noticed is the booming trend of ethical fashion. Brands like Pachakuti, People Tree, Sea Salt, and Mat and Nat have successfully created their brands around the concept of organic, ethical production of fashion items and are riding the trend to the top of the strongest brands list. Number 14. Mystery object shop. If you have an eye for good stuff, maybe running a mystery object shop could help you combine the desire for unusual business ideas with a steady source of income. Modern creators are nailing the concept of a surprise purchase that taps into the explorer instincts of many of us possess. There's no exact science or skills finding this business idea. Let your imagination go wide. Number 15. Online researcher. Although it sounds like a too good to be true idea, some people are successfully earning a living off their skill to find information online. From data research for infographics to market research for building startups, talented researchers know that you can put a price tag on knowledge. Number 16. Proofreader. If you love reading, becoming a proofreader could be your calling. Have other people send you their manuscript for books, research paper, or whatever else you are interested in reading about, and give them honest feedback before they publish their works of art. This job requires attention to detail and expertise in the area to ensure that everything is ready to print. Conclusion: online business ideas are endless and all-inclusive. Most office-based jobs can now be done online through freelancing or remote working. The beauty of technology means that profitable online businesses will keep growing and growing, making the world a truly global marketplace. Great people, this is the end of the video. If you have found this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever we upload another awesome content on entrepreneurship, personal finance, financial freedom, customer experience and customer service. God bless you. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up to support the channel, and share this video to reach more lives. Comment below, let us know in the comment section below what you think about this video. Decide also God has placed in your heart to start. God bless you. Until the next time, keep winning, keep growing, keep achieving.